Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you this week's new releases. We have 3 brand new weekly kits that I'm super excited about, and I edited my camera settings so hopefully it's a little bit brighter in this video and the quality is okay. So these kits will go live tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That is when our Friday releases go live every single week. I'm showing it here in our full size weekly kit, which is 4 pages, but we also have it available in B6, so that is 2 pages. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the flip through. So the first kit that I have here is called Feeling at Home, and it is in rose gold foiling. Here is the little matching deco sheet that you can purchase as an add-on. And then here is the full boxes. I'll give you a closer look. I love all of the foil elements in this kit, especially this little hanging egg chair. I am a big fan of that. So those are the full boxes. It's super neutral and watercolor, pastel, really pretty for the spring or summertime. Then moving on to the headers on this side, and then we have the bottom washi. Again, I really love how light the colors are in this kit, and it just looks really good with the rose gold foil. So you have your functional boxes, and then the last page you have your date covers. You have some checklists, sidebar stickers, and layering stickers. So that is Feeling at Home. Then moving on to the next kit. This one is perfect for summer. The next 2 are perfect for summer. So this one is called By the Sea. Here is the little deco sheet. And then we have our full boxes. This kit is in silver foil. Here is a close look. I love the dolphin here. So those are the full boxes. And then we have the headers and the bottom washi. This kit also has lighter colors, lighter pastels. Since the full boxes are so bright, I decided to go with some lighter colors for the rest of the kit. Functional boxes. And we're actually thinking of doing a reformat soon for our weekly kits. So if you have any suggestions of what stickers you would like to see in our weekly kits, definitely let me know. So that is By the Sea. Super pretty. And then last but not least, I think I am most excited about this one. It is called La Jolla, and it is actually inspired by the city La Jolla. I actually lived in La Jolla for quite a bit. That's where I went to school. So we have your seashells, surfboard, gotta have some palm trees. And then I tried making this part look like glider port if you've ever been. It's kind of just like mountains, and then it overlooks the ocean. So if you've been, then you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, and then of course gotta have some beach accessories. Got a yoga mat down here. And yeah, I just love this kit. It is using light gold foil, which you guys voted for all of the foil colors, and I think they turned out amazing. So here is the headers and the bottom washi. I love the leaves on this washi. Then we have the functional boxes. And then the last page, got your date covers, sidebar stickers, and layering stickers. So that is La Jolla, and that is all 3 of our new releases for this Friday. I also wanted to mention one last thing, since this video is going up on Thursday, that today is the last day you can shop this week's Chiller Tuesday collection, which, in case you missed the last video, it is butterfly themed this week. So if you wanted to go and check that out, today, Thursday, is the last day to do so. Otherwise, I think that is it for this week's new releases. Let me know which kit is your favorite, and if you have any kit reformatting suggestions, definitely let me know in the comments. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!